Hey, I'm welcome to Witchcrafty. I've had this requested a lot over my first year, and since I'm doing a Haku plushie, I drafted out a pattern for no face to go with it. Here's a list of everything you'll need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt and also my Pinterest. It's the second link in the description. The first thing you need to do is place both back body pieces together with the tracing showing and sew them together along the top curved side, leaving the straight edge open. Align the bottom body and the neck piece together and sew it together along the joining side only. Then, align the mask to the neck and sew the mask only around the bottom so it joins to the neck. Once done, place two arm pieces together, wrong side up, and sew them together, leaving the shortest width edge open. When you reach the end of the sewing line, flip it upright and stuff it. Repeat the same with the second arm. Clip or pin the main body and the back body so the seams are centered on the front body pieces and begin sewing them together. When you reach just below the neck, tuck the arm in so it points inwards and sew it in along the seam. Do the same on the other side so it sits in the same place on the opposing side of the body. Leave enough gap to flip, taking into consideration the size of the arms, then flip the body upright and stuff it. Close off the gap with an invisible stitch when it's thoroughly stuffed. Pin the eyes and mouth markings onto the mask and use a backstitch and matching thread to join them on. And lastly, use an invisible stitch to sew the arms down into the position that you want them to be in. And that is how you make a no-face plushie. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!